Producer Nagavamshi. Hits and flops, all movies list up to Daku Maharaj. Number 1 Babu Bangaram, released in 2016, hit. Number 2 Premam, released in 2016, super hit. Number 3 Sailaja Reddy Alludu, released in 2018, average. Number 4 Jersey, released in 2019, blockbuster. Number 5 Ranarangam, released in 2019, flop. Number 6 Bhishma, released in 2020, blockbuster. Number 7 Rang De, released in 2021, average. Number 8 Varudu Kavalenu, released in 2021, average. Number 9 DJ Tillu, released in 2022, super hit. Number 10 Bhimla Nayak, released in 2022, super hit. Number 11 Jersey, released in 2022, Hindi version, super hit. Number 12 Swati Mutyam, released in 2022, average. Number 13 Buttabomma, released in 2023, average. Number 14 Sir, released in 2023, blockbuster. Number 15 Mad, released in 2023, blockbuster. Number 16 Adikeshava, released in 2023, flop. Number 17 Tillu Square, released in 2024, blockbuster. Number 18 Gangs of Godavari, released in 2024, average. Number 19 Lucky Bhaskar, released in 2024, super hit. Number 20 Daku Maharaj, released in 2025. ఈ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయ్యి బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ టాక్తో రన్ అవుతోంది.